Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you a little handy trick that we use when we have a customer come in that's got some caked on sand or dirt inside of their carpet floor mats. And now this isn't necessarily just for bad scenarios like what you're seeing me do on the screen here. This is a pretty extreme case where the vehicle had hail damage, busted the windshield. Anyway, long story short, it's really bad, and you're about to see that here in just 1 second when I lift this mat up. But the trick we use is, as you can see here, we use a Tornador. So Tornador and compressed air, flip the mat over. Look at this. Oh boy, it vibrates the back of the mat, and again, this is a really severe case, so you're probably not going to get this much out of your common conditioned vehicle. This was exposed to the elements, so naturally there's more in there, and you're going to see me do this probably about 3 times, I think, before I stopped recording. But anyway, you can use this. A Tornador is pretty cheap. It's like 40 bucks for the tool, and then a simple air compressor will do it. Or you can use an orbital sander, dual action polisher, stuff like that. Whatever it is that you can get to vibrate on the back of these mats, and you'll see the results. And they can be pretty shocking, even for a mat that you may have thought was pretty clean. With that being said, guys, go give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.